Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about some random Amazon finds, but mostly they are fashion and beauty related. So yeah, it's not totally random. I have with me like bunch of anti-tarnish jewelry, and I have some heels with me which are like so perfect for upcoming festive season. And even if it's your birthday, they are just so blingy and gorgeous. And I have a dress also that I want to show you in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this very random and a haul that I'm very excited for. So let's go into the video. So मैं jewelry के बारे में last में बात करूंगी. पहले I want to talk about this gorgeous dress. Like you can see it on the screen. This is from label Ritu Kumar, and this was on such a good discount. And I am telling you, if you're looking for like a really nice flowy dress in like a mid range, this was around 2000 rupees on sale. द क्वालिटी इज सो गुड. लाइक जो आपको फैब्रिक मिल रहा है ना, वो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा क्वालिटी का है that it's actually worth the money you're paying for. And this dress just cinches you in the right places. It's like a must buy, and I just felt so beautiful in the dress, to be honest. You can see me twirling around. I felt beautiful in the dress, and you must get it, my friend. Next thing that I want to talk about are these nails. Actually, these press-on nails by Secret Lives. This is what I'm wearing abhi, and it's like a set of 24 or maybe more. Let me check. Yeah, so this is a set of 24 nails that you're getting in such a good price. Like I paid 363 rupees only for this. And I'm also going to tag the glue that I've used, the Miss Claire one, but they look so nice. Like it's so good for everyday wear. Like they're very short and cute and pastely tips. Definitely get it. It goes so perfectly with the dress that I was wearing. Like I have given you the try on. I'm gonna put one more video where I'm just flaunting these nails with the same dress. It's just so cute. Okay, let's move on to the heels now. Then jewelry, क्योंकि बहुत सारी है तो वो हम करते हैं लास्ट में. These are the heels that I ordered. Packaging पूरा खराब होके आया, but heels इतनी सुंदर है ना. These are from Carlton, London, and these are like these gold heels. Guys, this is so pretty. Like जो इसका front पे band है, and you have these bands also. I know ये थोड़ी सी high है, but ये इतनी ज़्यादा comfortable है. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी, but ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है, especially because you have this thing, to tie on your ankle. So that's pretty much gives you all the support you need, and it's actually so pretty. Like you see the try on, they look very nice and expensive as well, but these are not that expensive. Okay, next we have this pair of heels, which is actually a Zara dupe, but look how pretty this is. Like all this stonework is holographic, and ये काफी ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. This one is in like nude shade, but this is available in black, brown, and more colors as well. But I personally loved this one because ये सबके साथ I think color जाएगा जो इसका nude base है. And absolutely love the mesh, detailing going on. Again, very pretty, very comfortable also. This is like 2.5 inches of heels. बहुत ही comfortable है पहनने में. Like यहाँ पे भी you are getting the cushioning. If you're looking for like a fancy pair of heels, go for this. Okay, now this is like my least favorite of all, but I don't hate it. I actually really like it. But अगर मुझे choose करना हो तो ये मुझे सबसे कम पसंद आई. I don't know why, but I just found them too beautiful in comparison of this. But again, if you're looking for like a more comfortable option, this is the most comfortable heel out of those three. अगर हम comfort की बात करें तो. And इसका जो ये heel pattern है, that is also very cute and different. And इसमें जो आपको band मिल रहा है, that also has like holographic stones. So again, it's a pretty nice pair of heels. So you can go for this or the other gold one. But I think I like that gold more because थोड़ा और dainty और classy है. This one is a more like ये जो इसका ये वाला band है, ये मुझे थोड़ा चौड़ा लगा. Like अगर थोड़ा पतला होता तो मे बी आई वुड हैव लाइक्ड इट मोर. तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा लगी. लेट्स ट्राई द ज्वेलरी नाउ. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीसेस. So let's open the first one. This is from a brand called Regalo. I don't know, but you'll get the link in the description box below. So the first thing that we have is this. Oh, by the way, yes, they did claim that it is anti-tarnish. And look at the ring, dude. It's so pretty. This is like a two-band ring and it's adjustable. I absolutely love this. It's so classy, right? We are keeping it. Okay, next thing that I have is also a ring. That this one is anti-tarnish. This one has like multiple bands going on, but it's just one ring and again it's adjustable. This is how it looks. I think it's very pretty and classy, and they both look really nice together as well because they have kind of a similar band pattern going on. Ooh, they do look nice, right? Okay, I do have some really chunky jewelry जो कि I feel Zara inspired है, but वो हम last में खोलते हैं. Now let's see what is in this really cute packaging. This is from a brand called Niluk. Oh, another ring. Nice. I have ordered like a lot of rings. And you know why I've ordered a lot of rings? Because मैं recently ना अभी अपने friend के यहाँ गई थी, like in Hyderabad, and I forgot the jewelry box there that had all of my rings, to be honest, like all of the anti-tarnish rings that I had. This one is definitely gonna be my favorite. It's so dainty and it has like heart stone thing going on, and you have like, then it's adjustable at the end. Look, this is how it looks. It's such a pretty band to have, I feel, in your collection, and it's just so me because I love anything heart, especially in jewelry. I love wearing hearts, and this is so pretty. Like, definitely keeping this. Very pretty. I actually really like this. Okay, let's see. Next we have काफी cute packaging. हमें सामान मिला है. This is from Solace Nest. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is an anti-tarnish handcuff, and this is your Cartier dupe. Look how sexy it looks, right? It looks really nice, and the quality also amazing. I'm gonna wear it on the sleeve, I guess. But this is such a nice dupe, to be honest, and the quality is amazing. It's anti-tarnish, it has rhinestones, and it's gonna look really pretty with your watches and all. Like, look, very classy. Let's just wear it. I have already stacked a bunch of things here, but we'll keep adding, okay? Then the next thing that I have is from this brand called Minute. I never know how to pronounce this brand, but this is the brand. Look how pretty and dainty this one is. Like, this is so classy, right? They look nice together as well. Very pretty. Okay, next I have, let's see, another handcuff. This one, I love it. Look how pretty this is, like your normal handcuff, and but it has like this stonework going on, so it kind of gives that tennis bracelet wala look. See, this is how it looks. I am obsessed. This is such a nice stack together as well. Look, बस एक watch की कमी है, but काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, and the quality of this and this is so good. Like the handcuffs quality are amazing, and बहुत अच्छा तो लग रहा है बहुत. So the next thing that I have are these ear cuffs. So I don't have any piercing. Like, I just have, जिसमें भी मैंने कुछ पहना नहीं है, but I have been loving, like, you know, wearing ear cuffs. So I got these one. Like, these are very dainty and it has a pearl as well. I'm just gonna try and wear it and show you how it looks. Okay, it is focusing. This is how it looks, and it does look like I do have, you know, piercing, and it has like two layers, and we are getting a pair here. But yeah, it does look nice. Very dainty. Let's keep it like this. And next, I ordered one more pair of cuffs. I'll just show you. But first, look at this ring and the packaging. So this is from this brand called Salty, and they have really nice accessories, by the way, and everything is like anti-tarnish, and this one has to be my favorite because it's just so dainty and so chic and so Pinteresty. Like, look at this. It's a ring, okay? Look. But it's like a chain and it has a green stone. wait, let me show you this. And you just wear it like this, and you can tighten it like to your size. Look how dainty and just so delicate. It's so pretty. Like, I am loving my hand right now. It's so cute. I think I'm just gonna move it here. Let's change it. Look, so pretty, right? Okay, so this is the next set of ear cuff that I got. It's actually a set of a lot of things. Wait, मेरे को ना. So it has actually three pair. First is this one, very tiny ones. Okay, so dainty. And then lastly we have these. Basically it's a stack for your ear, and I will show you how it looks. This is how it is. It's like a hook. Now give me a second, my friends, to show you how it looks. Okay, one down, two, and this is the last one. Okay, alrighty, so this is how the stack is looking, but looks pretty. Looks like मैंने कराई है piercing वाली. दर्द मैंने झेली है, but मैंने झेली नहीं है. Like, I don't think I can. But yeah, this is how my ear looks like. You can just stack these and like a lot more and just look cool. Okay, now let me show you the very chunky jewelry that I found, which I think is completely a Zara dupe jewelry that I'm talking about. But these are the first earrings. Look how hot and trendy and sexy. Just wear these with your like normal plain maxi dresses, and this is so good. Like, the quality is also amazing. It's like a mix of gold and silver going on here. Wait till you see the necklace. Of course I purchased them separately. So this is like a charm necklace, but this one is like so chunky, and I'm not sure if this is anti-tarnish, but if I take good care of it, I think I can make it last longer. Like, the Zara one you get in like 3 to 4,000, and this one was so affordable. And look how pretty and fun this one looks. I absolutely love this. I really want to go on a vacation now just so that I can wear it. It's so cool, I feel, and absolutely love it. So yeah, this was it about the video. Let me know your favorite pair of heels and jewelry in the comment section below. Again, everything is linked down below and in the pinned comments, so make sure that you shop your heart out, but from my links, so that I can get more such videos for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you super soon.